This is the car that everybody wants, in the exterior styling that everybody wants, registered in the last couple of weeks, done under 1,000 miles, in a beautiful colour, Tasman blue, Defender 90. It's the D250S, 26 registration, 26 model year, that's then been fully exterior styled. Wide arches, canards, pod lights, bonnet inserts. So if you were looking for a 90 but you want something that has the same style as this, firstly, we've saved you thousands of pounds of having to go and get that job done for yourself. It's already been done to a fantastic standard. It's then on a car which is pretty much as new, under 1,000 miles, 26 model year, which has new features on the interior, exterior, but I love this colour. Tasman blue with all this exterior styling is a real head turner. So bonnet inserts, wide arches, upgraded 22-inch wheels. From factory, it's then got front and rear mud flaps, fixed side steps, so features that people would look to add on to a 90. Just have a little look at the rear space. So very spacious 5-seat 90, isofix points in the back. So although it's the shorter wheelbase, they're still very practical. And then with the 26 model year, what they've done is introduce the bigger screen, which has cameras, navigation, media, new wireless charging socket as well. But the car is pretty much as new as far as the condition's concerned, and like new, you would still then get the remaining 3-year warranty, the remaining 3-year roadside assistance, the same features you would have had when new. Full size spare wheel, rear spoiler. You've got this nice compartment tray that they're now put in the 90s as well. But usually we talk about condition on these cars. There's really no need to talk about the condition of it because it has done, I think, 900 miles from memory. But this is the kit and the exterior styling that people look for. Sometimes when we have cars in that don't have the kit, people contact us and go, can you add this, can you do that? But this one has already been done. So great colour, has the kit already, has done 966 miles, I think it has done. Yes, exactly that. So great looking car. New features on the 26 model year, features like adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, that bigger tablet screen than what you would even get in a HSE previously. Heated seats, I'll pop it into reverse, rear view, aerial view, even a 3D mode as well. So if you're moving up in size a little bit, it's got all the driver safety systems that you would possibly need. Fantastic car. I think I had a Tasman blue 90 not long ago. Phones went absolutely crazy for it because we see a lot of darker colours, Santorini black, Carpathian grey. So to see one in a bright colour like Tasman blue is nice and a bit different. So if you are interested, car is going live. Any questions about how you want to buy it through funding options, part exchange, or if you just want to pay for it outright, then contact me on my mobile number at the end of the video. My name is Paddy and I look forward to speaking to you.